Hi, this is Jim Starkweather, the publisher of KitMaker Network, and welcome to another quick tutorial on how to use our forums a little more efficiently or better or whatever. Basically, I want to show you guys a feature that you may or may not be familiar with. It's the ability to kind of flag a category in a way that maybe will suit your needs better. For example, let's assume you are a allied or diorama. Let's assume you're a dioramas person. You just love stuff in dioramas. Well, click on the dioramas thing. Go up here to the bell icon and click watching, because that'll basically tell the forum that you really want to see all the topics in this post and so forth, and you want to be notified and get stuff. You can also track it. You can also do a watch first post. So let's say you want to get notified of first post, you could do that. The other thing you can do, and of course it's on to normal by default, the other thing you can do is if you don't particularly like a category or subcategory, you can mute it. And muting a category will not have it not show up here on these lists of topics here. It will have it not show up under the main latest page or the new page. And that will basically allow you to kind of custom tailor the forum to your own interests. So let's say you don't build cars. Well, you could mute all the categories in here. Now you do have to go in. Unfortunately, you can't just mute it globally from one, the main category down. You do actually have to go in and mute each category. But it does allow you some flexibility there too. Maybe you're a car guy, but you literally are just a car guy. You don't want to see trucks and stuff on anything else. So you could mute the categories you want to mute. Same thing with aircraft. Maybe you like World War I aircraft, but you don't like anything else. So you could leave that one unmuted. So it does allow you some flexibility in terms of what you want to see and what you don't want to see. But let's assume you're a person who just likes Armorama and doesn't like pretty much any other genre of modeling. I don't think there's many of you, but there are a few of you. So let's say that's true. Well, what this would allow you to do is mute out all the categories that you don't like. And granted, it would take some time. There are a lot of categories. But you can mute out everything except for, hopefully, except for general discussions and vendors and maybe buy, sell, trade or scale modeling Q&A, things that are kind of more, they don't get a lot of posts and can certainly use some attention when they get them. But that's exactly why I'm making this video, because we have areas like the vendors area, like the general discussions area, and these are going to get posts that you probably will be interested in. 3D printing posts that will include 3D printing on armor things, mixed group builds that will include campaigns with armor in them, events and shows that could be the AMPS National Show or so forth. So those posts will exist here in general discussions. They're not going to be in Armorama. They're going to be down here. Same thing with vendors. We have vendors like MiniArt and like ICM and like Live Resin that are posting directly to the forums. We've already moved the Live Resin topic that we originally put in the vendors forum into Armorama because of this issue. But that issue is going to cause problems for us down the road if nobody is going outside of the main forum of interest that they're in. So this is just one idea basically to kind of create a scenario where you don't have to go into just the Armorama. You can go and get the topics that you want to see. You can custom tailor the forum based on how you want to view it and so forth. So just keep that in mind. Also, things like the forum watching. Let's say you don't want to get emails on those topics. If you're getting the daily update email, they will also remove those emails. So topics that you're watching will include the emails. Topics that you're muting will not. I think that's the way it works anyways. I believe that you have to be, maybe you don't have to be watching something. I think you do have to be interacting with it somehow though. Like tracking, for example, will automatically track all topics. You'll be notified and so forth. Yeah, it doesn't say how you'll be notified. I think that's also up here. Like you're notified here in your stream information. So anyways, hopefully I didn't give any secret things away in here. Oh, where's that post about trying to kill that one member? Oh no. Oh, there is a delete account one in here. Anyways, but yeah, there's nothing in here that's too damning, I don't think. Highly secretive stuff going on in the back channels and so forth. We talk about terrible things like here in the forums for staff and moderators. These are really hard to believe. You would not believe the kind of things that are in there and so forth. Yeah. Anyways. So yeah, we'll just leave it on that note. But thanks for watching, and hopefully this tutorial was helpful. If you enjoyed it, give it a like or whatever, either in the forum or on YouTube or wherever. I have to host it on YouTube, obviously. But I'll try to do more of these as stuff comes up, or if you guys have questions or would like to see more tutorials on how either the content sites work or the forum works, let me know and I will do that. Thanks for watching.